Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing some budget friendly meals using only the ingredients that I had in my fridge. If you missed my video, I'll link it above where I deep clean my entire fridge. So these are all of the ingredients that I already had, and I'm excited to think of creative meals with them. So first here you see that I have a whole chicken that I'm going to prepare two dinners with. One will be a roasted chicken dinner using only the dark meat, and I have some sides of potatoes. The second dinner is using the white meat of the chicken and making chicken noodle soup. So here I'm showing y'all all of the stuff that I already had in my freezer. I have some sweet peas, carrots, mushrooms, and I love using this onion recipe soup mix. So these are the ingredients that I have. No specific recipe that I'm following, which makes it so much easier, especially when you're just trying to think of delicious home cooked meals. All right, so my chicken is nice and clean. And with the seasoning, I just kept it simple. Use some parsley. I have some spices there. Like you see, I think that's chili spices, some black pepper, garlic powder, and sea salt. And usually when I'm cooking the whole chicken, I like to break the backbone of it so it can lay flat a little bit. And my mom gave me a tip to cook the chicken breast down. It really allows all of those juices to soak up in the breast part so it don't be dry. So that's a perfect tip. All right, so while the potatoes was roasting in the oven, here I'm showing y'all how tender the whole chicken was. It pretty much turned out to be shredded chicken. It was so tender. All of the meat were falling off the bone. The flavor was there, and it was just a perfect time for me to take apart the white meat so I could start preparing the chicken noodle soup. While the potatoes were still roasting in the oven, I started on the chicken noodle soup. I simply added olive oil, garlic, minced garlic, and I added some carrots, mushroom, onion, and I used that chicken breast. Also poured in some chicken broth, and I just pretty much allow all of the ingredients to come together. The two dinners are done, y'all. Here is that roasted chicken, the dark meat portion. It was so good, y'all. I know it don't look quite appetizing, but I also have the green beans and roasted potatoes. I also cooked the chicken noodle soup, y'all. Perfect leftovers for my husband and I for the entire week or maybe 2 weeks. The next meal ideal I have is turkey neck soup. Now, if you're not familiar with turkey necks, it's pretty much the neck of a turkey, y'all. You can't get much simpler than that. Now, my family, we prefer the bony parts of the bird. You know, we love the entire bird, but some people try to avoid these parts because of the extra bones. But usually this part of the neck, it has some good amount of meat on it as well. And that's why you can get it super cheap. So here you see I only paid $8.48 for almost 2 pounds worth of turkey necks. And I'm going to make a delicious soup with this. And you can pretty much not only just make soup with turkey necks, it could just be used as a side meat if you like, and just do side of a starch and vegetable. But in my case, I am loving soups, especially this time of year, and that's what I'm going to prepare. As always, it's very important to clean your meat before you cook it. So here I have the turkey necks in a deep pot. I just filled it up with water, and I'm going to place it on top of my stove on high until it boils. Now here you see all of that bacteria floating to the top. It looked quite gross, and I just pour it all off. I rinse the meat, then I'll place it back in a clean pot like you see here. So here I have my clean turkey necks, and I'm just pretty much filling it up with water. Now I'm adding that onion soup mix, 2 packs. And I'm just going to let this cook for about an hour on medium low so the meat can tender. All right, y'all. So the soup was finished and it was absolutely delicious. All of the wholesome ingredients added. It was just a perfect dinner and perfect leftovers as well for my husband and I. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and was inspired to just use what you have and think of creative meals so we can all stick to our budget. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel for more. All right, y'all. Be blessed and I'll chat with y'all in the next video.